All right, welcome freaking back. This week we are on the C5. We're trying to get it all ready for summer so we can do some nice driving in it. But one of the things when you get a C5, there's a couple things that go out. Harmonic balancer, the AC screen, the traction control module. Mine shocks are bad. My brakes are bad. So those are a few things we're going to attempt to fix this weekend. So I have Bilstein shocks. I have new brakes coming. Show you some of the new stuff we got over here. I ordered the Stomach fluid dampener. I got some new sway bar ends. I got an ARP harmonic balancer bolt. And then of course, I went with Bilsteins. I have Bilsteins on my truck. I drive it every day. I love them. Also, before the end of this episode, I'm gonna peel the sticker off the glass top for this thing that has been on there since brand new. My uncle ordered it, never peeled the sticker off of it. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna put that on video. So after 20-something years, I hope the sticker comes off okay. But let's give you a good look at the car. Obviously, I got it jacked up in the front. I've already started. Car's looking excellent still. I love these wheels. I remember when my uncle got this car. I love the wheels. 5-spoke, skinny, like lightweight. I pulled these off. I was very surprised how light they are for 20s. So let's go and let's give this Corvette some love. Thanks for watching. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. We got the dampener off, and there is a big difference. This is a fluid dampener. This is not. I wish I could show you how it was vibrating, but they just get a little vibration and eventually they can cut through the timing chain cover. Bad deal. So I got this all ready to go. We're going to stick it in the oven. I got my ARP bolt. This is my install tool. You're definitely going to need one of those because you don't have room in the Corvette to really swing a hammer. But I'm going to get up under here and kind of show you what we got going on. So I've already put the new seal in it. As you can see, it looks like the old balancer seal was probably leaking. So hopefully this fixes that, and then I'll do a little pressure washing and get this thing cleaned up. But anyways, I'm gonna go stick that balancer into the oven, and then we'll get that back in here and install. All right, here we go. We are moving right along on the Corvette. But right now we're doing the sway bar links. This is the upgraded one. These are kind of old plastic. Obviously, you know, they're not too nice looking anymore. So luckily I got some replacements. Those things are nice and beefy. I think they're gonna work great. They're direct replacements. So I'm gonna put those on. Reconnect the steering rack. It is looking pretty good in here. Dampeners in. Both belts are on. We got some stuff to wrap up here, but most of it's down there. So I'm not going to show a lot of it because it's really hard to. So I'll get back with you in a minute. Let's keep going. I'll get with you to do those brakes. These are some pretty nice brakes. Evolutions. Carbon fiber ceramic. They actually give you instructions, 5 aggressive, 40 to 10, all the steps to follow. So that's really cool. Low dust and everything else, but yeah, look at these. Whew. Nice slotted, so pretty happy with those. Those look super nice. I like the ones like this. You don't gotta paint them. They're ready to go because they're zinc coated on the inside and everything. So this is front passenger. I'm on the front driver. Okay. Wheel seal seems pretty nice. Comes a little wire brush. Gonna take 2 minutes and spray a little spray paint on this. Alright, I just took a couple minutes. I oversprayed a little bit. This is for good old-fashioned brake clean. Man, I tell you, I just pulled this sucker out of the box. I love a brand new set of Bilsteins. I don't know, this blue and yellow looks really good. Shoo, wow! Dang, that looks good. Actually, I kind of like the blue yellow with the white. I don't know. Be maybe a cool little scheme if we throw a little something with blue and yellow on there. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I think it'd be kind of cool. Alright, we'll be back in a minute to finish this up, but looks pretty dang good so far. Got the new shocks in. The rotors look awesome. I pretty much wrapped up this side and it's looking really good. Let's keep going. The Corvette is gonna be nicer than ever. All right, we got her moved around a little bit. It's gonna be kind of a tight fit, like always in here. Those are nice light wheels. Yep, emergency brake looks just fine. Beautiful. The before and after. Okay, here is the Targa see-through top that came with my uncle's Corvette. This is a 2001. This has never been removed, obviously, so I'm gonna peel this off and put it on. I really want to check it out. I want to be able to see the sun or stars depending on where you're at, so I don't know, let's go. We got a little piece going over here. Alright, this is gonna take a while. I'll be back. Right, heat gun's working a little better. Alright, I'm gonna clean it up with a little alcohol and then we're gonna slap it on the... I don't know, I think that's pretty neat. All right, the Corvette's looking good. We're gonna go for a test drive here pretty quick. I wanna drive the car, see how I like those new carbon ceramic brakes. But until then, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching the C5. Have a good one and get out in those garages.